Hi, I'm Alex from Powys Neath Talbot Adult Learning in the Community. We're a partnership between a number of different education providers throughout South and Mid Wales. I'm here today in Banwen at the Dove Workshop, one of our partners. The Dove Workshop was started in 1984 during the miners' strike in response to community need in the area, and now provides a wide range of training and education facilities for Banwen and the surrounding areas.
Dove Workshop is a place where people can come to do a variety of courses, whether that's something to gain a qualification or just a short course of something they enjoy. Throughout the year we do events for the community, but anyone's welcome. That could be craft fairs, we do winter walks, Halloween activities, which are all really well responded to. We also have the on-site nursery, which is lovely to hear all the children throughout the day. We also have the cafe. Yeah, so it varies a lot what we do on a weekly basis. We have courses that run throughout the week, and alongside that we also offer support services. We run a wellbeing hub on a Wednesday, which started when all the cost of living crisis stuff was coming up. We've had a British Sign Language course that started, a creative writing course, criminology, getting to writing and publishing, which is run by two authors, which was really popular. And we've also had a self-development course start. We also have a return to learn maths and English, which will go every week, which is below GCSE level. But they're good if anybody wants to brush up on their skills, or they go in towards doing their GCSEs, or want to help children with their homework. And then in the evening we have a local woman that runs Pilates class, and also another local woman who runs yoga classes.
I look forward to coming to the Dove Workshop. It's made me build a lot in my confidence. Before I would never speak to anybody. I do love it here. It's really brought me out of my shell, and I hope to keep coming here. It brings quite a lot to the local community, because without this centre, I think they would be lost, because there's nothing else for a couple of miles. The Dove is a big part of the community in Banwen.